Yeah, box this flexible aluminum ducting I ordered from Amazon. See the ducting? It also comes with aluminum tape, 2 hose clamps, hook on your ducting. Gloves for installing it. Bought this to repair the ducting in our RV furnace. The old stuff had torn, so it's affordable price. It's worth the money that I paid for it. Quality of the aluminum is thick. I feel like that would be decent for our application. That won't tear very easily. This set came with everything you need to install, so just more convenience for our end. You can get this flexible ducting on Amazon.